Hayao Miyazaki and Studio Ghibli's main characters usually look like they're between 14 and 18 years old. They're all defined by their spirit and courage, which is reflected in their unique facial features. Studio Ghibli's style is more realistic than shonen or shoujo mangas. The eyes remain more in proportion with the rest of the face, but the inside of the eye is bigger, almost as big as the eye itself. This is to emphasize the determination of the characters. Lines are simple, there isn't too much detail. Now we will draw a face in profile. As you can see, the noses are always small. The style and lines are always very simple. The chin is quite significant in profile. Create depth for the mouth, then draw a simple line. This also depends on the character's expression. Draw a very small line under the mouth to mark the chin. The nostril is a simple dot. As before, the eye is in proportion with the rest of the face, and its features are very simplified. The hair in Ghibli's anime drawings is quite recognizable. The style is dated, but brings charm to the drawings. Unlike most current mangas, where hair would be drawn like this, Miyazaki's hairstyles have thick hair with rounded tips. Apart from the hair, it's quite hard to distinguish boys from girls in this style. The ears also have a simplified design, like this. Now for the clothes. Just like the hair, they have a charming old-fashioned style. The lines are rough, and so is the style of the clothing. This once again gives Miyazaki's work a special charm that is not captured in other drawing styles. This is a more contemporary style, which is not that of Miyazaki. The lines are more distinct, almost like slashes. When drawing a nose from the front, it's still simplified. It's not very pointed, and the nostril is drawn with a single, very light line. When the face is drawn from the front, it is rather thin. It doesn't really have angles except for the chin, which is very round. The ears aren't too big, but their design is realistic while still very simplified. The nose starts at the inner end of the eyebrow. The design of the mouth depends on the expression, but when it's closed, it's a single line. There's also a little line under the mouth to define the chin. An important detail for the eyes is that they have no lashes. This type of character can be found in many of Miyazaki's works. Their style of clothing, accessories, or hairstyles helps define them. Here we'll turn our basic face drawing into Princess Mononoke's son by giving it her hairstyle and adding on her crown. Miyazaki's female characters always have very thin necks. Now we will do a quick overview of the main features of the faces of Studio Ghibli's characters. The lines are mostly simplified, and the nose isn't too big when drawn in profile. When drawing the face from the front, the nose starts from the eyebrow. Moreover, we used a female character here because they're more representative of Miyazaki's work. The male characters of the same age are drawn in the same style. For example, Ashitaka just has a thicker neck.